Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert up arrow with the tip left symbol in Excel. This is pretty simple and easy. For example, you want to insert the arrow in this cell. So for this you need to click on the insert and click on the symbol and click on the equation. So an equation editor box will be open up. Click this small arrow and click this arrow and select the arrow, and here you can find this is the up arrow with the tip left. Just click on that and here you can see that you can resize it and move it anywhere where you want it and point the figure in Excel. So another way is that you need to put the equal sign and type UNI UNICHAR, open the bracket, put the code 8624, close the bracket, hit enter. This will instantly turn to the up arrow with the tip left symbol. So you can also join the up arrow tip left symbol with the cell. For this you need to put the equal sign and select the reference cell, put the ampersand and type UNICHAR and open the bracket, type 8624, close the bracket, hit enter, and here you can see that. So another traditional way is click on the insert and click on the symbol and click on the symbols, and in the font section you need to select the SEGOEUI symbol, and here it is, and in the subsect you need to select arrows, and these are the arrows, and here you need to find it, and here it is. Click insert and close it, and here you can see that. So with these method you can easily insert up arrow with tip left symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.